Hey, groovy guys and gals, it's Barry again with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating a Learjet A250. This is out of a 1972 Jensen Interceptor. Super cool car. This comes from Tony, who is actually a local customer. Tony's right here in Prescott, Arizona, just a few minutes away from me. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on and make sure everything works. Tony has requested the modern internal electronic conversion with the Bluetooth and USB reader. So let's go ahead and turn her on. There's no faceplate. Tony has a faceplate. He must be doing. It's not too unusual for customers to send in units while they're sending the faceplate out to be re-chromed, stuff like that. So it looks kind of boring without the faceplate, but let's go ahead and turn her on. I've got it set to AM at the moment since there is no faceplate. I didn't want to spend too much time on camera hunting down the one AM station I get, so let's turn it on. I got the AM station going on.
ROM updated 3.0.
Embry-Riddle and JROTC will be presenting colors at the intersection of Montezuma and Goodwin.
Okay, let's
look at our
speaker outputs, make sure we got both sides.
Visit laser-shelters.org.
Okay, turn our balance control to the left, to the right, left, right.
Find more information at
yavapaihumane.org.
That's your
Make sure tone control works. There goes the treble, so tone control is working. Okay, let's go to FM, and we can see the cool FM stereo light going on. Switch over to FM. Okay, we know we got both speakers, so we can get rid of that. I'm just going to run down the dial real quick. Make sure we pick up some FM stations here.
Who's Northern Area 090. Trained specialists can help.
Come from above. That is earth
to the faith that's in my
And that's the FM stereo light, of course.
I love you.
The project would prove that the new
I hear a song.
time is back.
is in peace for those who make peace.
I tell them find their biz, but they don't.
Good. I'm knit kidding.
Well, this is Coco Cortez.
Oh, crazy. I got what you need.
Gay disputes and conflicts on.
It is Sunday. Hope you're.
It is Sunday.
Projected to have retired. And studies indicating.
Okay, so we picked up quite a few FM stations. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We do that by turning our volume control twice to the right. Should hear a lady come on saying, Bluetooth ready to pair. Didn't quite catch that time. Try it again.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do that. I don't go to all that time on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode. In 90 seconds, she'll come back saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, let's try the USB. I got my radio commercial, the only song I can play in its entirety. Just make sure it plays. Okay, pull the stick, and the radio comes back by itself. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here. I'm gonna switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're at a blank spot there. We'll come back to that. I think we're coming up on an automatic track change. Yep, we're coming up on an automatic track change. So there's the automatic track change. Oop, I turned it off accidentally. Okay, hit eject. Okay, eject tape. Let's do a quick speed check. I've got a 400 cycle test tape. So we're gonna look at our if I can find whatever camera the scope's on. There's our speed adjustment. Okay, so we're looking for a number between 395 and 405. That'll be in spec. Okay, 398. That's very well in spec. And now we're even closer now that the the speed stabilized. We're just about right on the money, just about perfect. So get rid of this. Alrighty, and so that completes the test. Everything is working, and she's ready to go back to the customer. So thank you, Tony, for your business, for your local business. I don't get too many local customers because I don't advertise in this area. My website is in the description below. My phone number, and this is for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. Do not call this number looking for belts, parts, or how to fix that $5 yard sale fine that you don't want to put any money into. Call me if you want to purchase professional service. That's what you call me for. So my phone number, now that I've spilt my guts about that, is 928-533-9666. Thanks so much for watching, listening, guys, and we'll see you next time.